discuss how we can interface with Arduino. So first of all, you will open a blank window, then you will search Arduino, okay? Arduino Uno. So after dragging it, you will get a second microcontroller as like this. So I have just I am using this one, so I am deleting this. Okay. Now I will search for keypad. So this is keypad. You will need to just drag it. Okay. Now what we will do? We will connect first row with pin number 2. Second row
pin number 3.
I'm reading it. So I will connect row number 1 with pin number 2, and then I will connect row number 2 with pin number 3. After that, I will connect row number 3 with pin number 4. Now row number 4 with pin number 5. After that, I will connect column number 1 with pin number 6. So I'm changing its color from green to orange. Now I will connect column number 2 with pin number 7. Okay. Now I will connect column number 3 with pin number 8. Okay. Now I will connect column number 4 with pin number 9. Okay. So after connecting it, I will come to code and I will include library. So here I will include this keypad library. After clicking on include, you will get keypad #include keypad.h. So I am using this one, so I will delete it. Now this variable rows is representing number of rows, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4, and cols variable representing columns, and its value is equal to 4 because we have this is column number 1, this is column number 2, column number 3 and column number 4. Now this is our hex keypad, and this is the
arrays.
Yes, I am representing this hex keypad in the form of 2-dimensional array. So rows is equal to 4. So here you can write 4 as well, and column is equal to 4, so you can use 4. So this is just size representation of
Rows and columns.
So we have maximum 4 rows, so that's why I have written 4 over here, and we have 4 columns, so that's why I have written 4 over here. Now let's come to pins representation. So in this, with the help of this array rows pins, we are representing number of rows in the form of array. so its size can be 4 because rows is equal to 4. Now fin number 2 is row number 1 is connected with what? Pin number 2. So you will need to write just 2, 3, 4, 5 because row number 4 is connected with pin number 5. This is pin number 5. Okay. Now let's come to columns. So number of columns also 4. So this is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 and column number 4. So these fins are connected with pin number 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And what? जी
The last row manager star 0 hash.
बाकी नहीं था नजर में आता था.
Yes sir.
ओके तो स्टार 0 हैश डी यहाँ पे मौजूद है. ठीक है. ये रो नंबर 1 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. ये आपके पास रो नंबर 2, ये रो नंबर 3 एंड ये रो नंबर 4. This is row number 4. So now we will assign these 5 parameters to keypad function. So this is keypad function, and here we will write the names of these parameters: number of columns, number of rows. Okay. So these rows, columns, keypad, hex keypad, and rows, pin, and column will go to keypad built-in function. So these are the arguments: row and columns, column pins, rows, pin, and hex keypad. These parameters are the argument of this keypad function. So after running this code, when you will assign or you will send number of hex keypad, rows, pins, columns, pin, rows and column to this built-in function, as a result it will return a specific value and it will be stored in kpd variable.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. After that you will assign you will store equivalent code of. So actually this function is returning an equivalent code, and with the help of this kpd.get key we will receive equivalent code. I mean 1, 2, 3 ABCD and 0 star hash. Okay. Now after this function, when you will receive a 1, 2, 3 or star 0, 6 hash etc., you will need to print that values on serial monitor. So this is serial monitor, and we want to receive the equivalent code, exact value, not equivalent code, we want to receive exact value of that button. So for that we will use, for seeing that values we will use serial monitor, and that serial monitor will show us the exact value. So if you want to communicate or you want to connect your serial monitor with Arduino, so for that you will need to define speed of serial communication. So it's inside void setup function we are using serial.begin 9600. So serial.begin is using for declaration of speed of your serial monitor or serial communication.
Operational frequency?
Yeah, operational frequency. This is representing 96,000 is baud rate. You can see this operational speed. You can see it. You can say it. Operational frequency. So अगर आप फ्रिक्वेंसी को बढ़ाते हैं स्पीड भी बढ़ती है, बाउट रेट भी बढ़ती है।
Yes.
ठीक है, सो एग्जैक्ट सेम कंसेप्ट है, उसमें थोड़े से डिफरेंस हो सकते हैं, बट एट दी एंड कंसेप्ट जो है ना वो उसका सारा ताल्लुक उसकी स्पीड के साथ है।
Yes.
ठीक।
प्योर फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं।
जी
प्योर फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं।
हाँ, इसमें ऑप्शंस है। ठीक है, जब आप आर्डिनो आईडीयू को सेलेक्ट करोगे सो जो सीरियल मॉनिटर उसके साथ कनेक्ट करोगे तो फिर उसी की वो जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम करता है तो फिर वही सेलेक्ट करोगे। लेकिन मोस्टली थिंकरकैड में वी आर यूजिंग 9600 एज अ बाउंड रेट। ओके, नाउ after that what we will do, we want to print a message. For example, this is a message. For example, you press slash आपने ये बटन दबाया, so we want to see that value on our screen. So after running this code, so for that purpose I have used serial.print and it will print that string, which is this string you press slash आपने ये बटन दबाया. After that, with the help of serial.print ln key press, we will see exact value what, for example, we press 5 over here, so you will receive 5 over here. Is this clear? Okay, so here is a f function. This how we are using this f function. Actually, if you will press any button, so according to that button you will receive a specific value. For example, 5 from this keypad from this kpd get key function. So if you will not press any button, so this function will not working. I mean, this function will not show any message on screen. But if you will press a specific button, then you will receive equivalent message, or you will receive this message and exact value what you have pressed. So now I am simulating this code, and after simulation you can get the required or the desired result. So now I want to press 5. So at serial monitor we are receiving you press slash आपने ये की या और ये बटन दबाया. Okay, now I'm pressing D. You press आपने ये slash आपने ये बटन दबाया, that is D. Star आपने ये बटन दबाया, slash I want to write code in Pashto. For example, the button वहला. फारसी में भी आप लिख सकते, you can write it.
First में कैसे
pressing the button.
Yes.
Just leave it. you can try that at fast. Okay, so let's simulate it. So I am writing 5. You press आपने ये बटन दबाया, तादा बटन हुआ हला.
क्यों बटन?
5 तादा बटन हुआ 5 is equal to 5. Point समझ आ रही है? You are understanding what I am trying to say. Okay, so
why
after
is it representing this
slash, because I have written slash in this inside this string, so that's why we are receiving. Okay, if I will press equal over here inside this, let me stop it, and I want to use equal at the end of wahala. So after simulating it, you will receive okay 7. You press slash आपने ये बटन दबाया, slash tada button वो हालात which is equal to 7.
Now you
Is it
understand?
clear? So now